Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here I am Muhammad Ilyas and today I am telling you about the general knowledge of the world. Largest in the world. Question number 1. The largest country of the world area wise is dash. Ans Russia. Question number 2. The second largest continent of the world is dash. Ans Africa. Question number 3. The fourth largest continent of the world is dash. Ans South America. Question number 4. The fifth largest continent of the world is dash. Ans Antarctica. Question number 5. The third largest continent of the world is dash. Ans North America. Question number 6. The fifth largest country of the world population wise is dash. Ans Indonesia. Question number 7. The largest continent of the world is dash. Ans Asia. Question number 8. The second largest country of the world area wise is dash. Ans Canada. Question number 9. The third largest country of the world is area wise is dash. Ans China. Question number 10. The fourth largest country of the world area wise is dash. Ans United States of America. Question number 11. The largest country of the world population wise is dash. Ans China. Question number 12. The second largest country of the world population wise is dash. Ans India.